In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy CapCut Pro. If you're ready to unlock premium effects, higher quality exports, and a faster editing workflow, this walkthrough will guide you from opening CapCut to selecting the plan that fits you best in a clear and straightforward way. First, open CapCut. You can launch the desktop app, visit the official CapCut website in your browser, or open the mobile app, whichever you use most. A stable internet connection helps the upgrade page load smoothly. If you're not already signed in, CapCut may prompt you to log in so your subscription attaches to the correct account. It's a good idea to use the same account you edit with regularly, so your projects and pro benefits stay in one place. Once your workspace is visible and you're on the home or editing screen, you're set for the upgrade area. Next, look for the Pro section and click it. On the web, you'll typically see a Pro button or banner near your profile in the upper left area, close to your avatar or workspace name. On mobile, a similar Pro entry point appears in the main navigation. Interface layouts can shift slightly with updates, so keep an eye on the top left region or the main menu. Clicking Pro opens the upgrade page, where CapCut lays out available plans, pricing, and benefits in one place for easy comparison. Now, choose a plan. You'll usually see options like a monthly plan or a discounted annual plan. Prices can vary by region and currency, and applicable taxes may be added at checkout. The page often includes a comparison of what's included. Think premium templates, effects, fonts, audio, cloud features, and higher export limits, so you know exactly what you're getting. If a free trial or introductory offer is available, it will be clearly labeled. Check that the currency and account email look correct for billing and receipts. When you select the plan that suits your needs, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the purchase. Accepted payment methods are shown, and any promotions appear automatically before you finalize. After completion, you should see a confirmation and a Pro indicator on your account. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, click Pro, and choose the plan that meets your needs. Once upgraded, explore the premium assets and tools to speed up your edits, and keep CapCut updated to access the latest features. Enjoy creating with CapCut Pro and have fun elevating your videos with professional results.